coupe, you know that bitch, it be coming to life. When I just hop up in that big body, baby, know that you right.
What's good, y'all? Namaste. I'm coming at y'all today with a little tutorial on how to make my famous jelly jam. It's organic. It is all natural. So all we're doing is sizzling up some fruit of your kind. I like a mixed berry jam and jelly. I do strawberry, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. And what we're going to do first is basically we're going to make sure you get your strawberries and everything like that. You cut everything up unless you want a real chunky jam. But you cut it up into quarters or something like that. And then make sure you rinse them off. And then you plop it into your skillet, your pan, your pot, whatever. And put it on medium to low heat. And what the medium to low heat does, it makes the blueberries blister and swell up, and it makes the strawberries and the raspberries get some of that water out of the fruit, and then that creates the liquid that we need. And then we're gonna add some water in there. So we're gonna add at least a cup of water inside of our a half a cup for now. I'm gonna add a half a cup of water inside of our mixture, our fruit mixture. Have it on medium to low heat so that it still has the simmer to it and it boils the water up out of it. Next, we're going to take chia seeds. I did get these from Ralph's. You can get them from Walmart too. Like I said in one of my tutorials with the chocolate peanut butter cookies, when you use a chia seed, it swells up. Once you put like water around it or milk, it swells up. I've made banana pudding with it. I've baked things with it, so it's a good alternative for like a jelly or a egg. So we're gonna put I'm taking a tablespoon of chia seeds in here right now, but I'm going to end up adding another tablespoon just so it can make the water jelly around it. And it does get a little messy because the chia seeds be falling right off the spoon. So what we're going to do is let that simmer, medium to low heat, and we're going to take our spoon and we're going to stir. Also, what you can do, you can take a fork or your spoon. Since the fruit is soft, you're going to crush down your blueberries and your blackberries, and you can crush down your strawberries too a little bit. To get some of the flavor flowing into the pot. And I'll show y'all what it looks like real quick. You can put this in your yogurt, but see, it's getting a little bit thicker than what it was. And this is how I make my famous jam. Agave. This is our friend Agave. I got this one from Walmart and I got this one from Kroger. Same thing. And we're gonna add probably like the rest of this agave since it's like literally kind of nothing in there. Let's see, agave is our sweetener. And what I'm gonna do, because these are gonna get some of that water out of it too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a few of these. Take a few of these, and then I'm going to rinse them off, and then I'll just chop it up inside the pan. Okay, so we're gonna throw our blackberries into the pan. Blackberries got that seed. And see, the blackberries are already blistering up. They are turning like a red. And our mixture is getting thicker, like a jelly consistency to it. And that also is going to give us that chunky fruit. If you want, you can add more chia seeds. When you do cook this and stuff like that in the water, like I said, it gets like the jelly around the chia seed. And it makes the chia seed basically a little softer. So I'm gonna add probably like a half a teaspoon more of chia seed. Baby. And mind you, I like to taste my stuff. I'm gonna blow it before I taste it, because this right here be scorching hot when you taste it, and I've burnt my tongue from it before. It's like, I've never had hot grits thrown on me, but I've seen stuff happen, and I've seen it in movies and shit like that, and it just doesn't sound like it could be good. So I feel like this would be like hot grits thrown on you. So make sure you blow or wait till it cool down a little bit to taste it. And then you can add in however much agave or sweetener that you want for the flavor. And the consistency is actually good. Let me show y'all. See, it's a little bit thicker. That's good. That's really good. Yep. Right there. Woo. That's real good. So this is our jam. Or jelly spread. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna put it in real quick. 1 second. I cleaned this yesterday because I used the rest of it, but it's just my PB Fit protein powder container, plastic container. I like to reuse stuff, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this cool a little bit, and then I'm going to transfer that from here. I mean from that to here, And then, yeah, just gonna put the top back on there and put it in the refrigerator. Let it get thicker. The consistency of jelly or jam, and that is your jelly. Your vegan, natural, organic jelly. Right there. See? Easy. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. If y'all would like to try this. If y'all want me to use some different fruit, I will. Or if y'all would like for me to do a dessert or some type of dish using the jelly or jam, and I'll do that for y'all. Yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and, like I said, comment below, like this video, and go ahead and subscribe. And I got more recipes and more videos in game for y'all. And once again, my name is Chuni. Thank you. Namaste. Bye. See, here's our jam that we made. See how this consistency is?